So hi, today we will be talking about Python. So we will be learning Python, and first we'll understand what Python is. So we have introduction for that. Python is a simple and yet very powerful language that bridges the gap between C and shell programming. So Python is very simple and yet it is a very powerful language, and it narrow down the gaps between C and shell programming. So basically it was created by Godot van Rossum in the year 1991. It is used for web development. So this is server side, and it is also used for software development. It is used for mathematics, simple calculations. It is used in machine learning. It is used in an analytical part. It is used in the system scripting language. And when we comes to coding the language, we'll use English like a statement. So basically in English a statement we means it's very easy to understand by the programmer or the person who is reading the number of lines of the codes. So for them it is very easy to understand, and chances of error is less because here we don't use semicolons. We don't have to follow the curly braces. In spite of the curly braces, we'll use indentations. So indentations means we'll use the tabs for that. So before talking much, we'll go and install Python in our local machine. So for the Python installations, we'll go to the Python installation. We'll type Python installations. So we have download python.org. Now here we'll go and check which is the latest version which is released now, and it is bug free. So now release version is 3.9.5. so this is the newest version which is released now. So we'll go and down in the download sections. So for mine is Windows machine, so I'll be downloading for the Windows machine. If you have the other machine, you can download for the others. And in the download sections, now we have to choose the downloads. So pre-release is 3.10, which is still it is releasing, so we are not going to download that. We'll go to the stable release, which is released and it is tested. So we'll download from there, and we'll download the 64-bit machine. Mine is 64, so I'll be going and downloading the 64-bit installer in my machine. So I have downloaded. Now we'll go and check inside the download section if the download started or not. Yes, it is started. So we'll wait for a few seconds, and we'll go and we'll click on show in folders. So since you have seen here, I have downloaded 2 times, so I'll open one. So right click and open. After right clicking and opening, we have to install. We don't have to upgrade now, we just have to install. So it's installing, so it will take few seconds, so wait for it. It is still initializing, so let it get installed. So now you can see it's installing, it's halfway. once it is installed, so we'll go to the start menu. So now you can see that we don't have Python already installed in my system, so wait for yours till it gets installed. So once it gets installed, we have to start shell scripting language. So our first programs in the shell. So here is our first view of the shell Python. So we just have to we'll print a simply hello Python. Hello Python. We'll right click and you can see we got the output as hello Python. So this is done. So basically coder won't prefer the shell scripting language. So we'll go and see how UI will look like. So when we'll talk about the UI, go to the Pythons and we'll ideally open the another one. So we have to open Python ideally. So go to the Python 3.9, click on the ideally and it will open the UI view of the Python. So this is the UI and this you love it. So write the same thing, same line of code, print hello Python. And we don't have to put the semicolon. So this is the beauty of the Python. So when you click enter, it's hello Python. And that's it, yeah, guys, and bye bye. If you like the video, please do comment and subscribe to the channel Tech Serenity. Yes, so this what is the installation steps, and the next videos will talk about the Python syntax of it.